Hi guys, Derek here. Okay, so it's been a little bit of a long time, but I've finally got my mystery box for July. I received it a few days ago, and my wife decided to open it, wondering what it was, even though it says 3D mystery box on the front. Anyway, I'm going to open it now. I've had a quick sneak peek in. It looks pretty promising. And Skolder's actually changed up the way that he's done his packaging as well. So let's have a look. Oh, congratulations. Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm the lucky winner of a diamondized nozzle from 3dnozzles.com, which was generously donated by Mr. David Holton, who won the nozzles, kindly donated. Excellent. Right, let's have a look at that now. No, let's do it later. Okay, let's go through. So this is a different way of him doing, rather than having a cardboard insert, it's just the standard filament wrapping. Okay, so all the information is now on the filament bags, including the IR code. So this is a ABS white to purple ultraviolet reactive. So that's some ABS, and obviously it will change colour in the sunlight. This is some grey to white thermal changing filament as well, from looks like Repapper Tech. All the details are there. Obviously these are a little bit more higher in temperatures to print out as well. It is actually, this is standard PLA, so this is 60 to 60 on the bed, and 190 to 220 on the nozzle. The ABS is printed at looks like 80 to 100 on the bed, and 210 to 260 on the nozzle. So obviously this box has got a few more different filaments in. What we've got here, we have cement grey filament from Spoolworks Edge filament. Strong and tough, easy to print, 80 on the bed, 240 on the nozzle. Okay, so breakaway. Okay, so it's a nice sort of concrete grey PLA. We have some ASA extra fill grey blue, strong, tough, temperatures 80 to 105 on the bed. The nozzle needs to be 240 to 255. So obviously try, if you have a brass nozzle, see if you can get a hardened nozzle at least. It will help with printing these sort of types of filaments. We've got a decent bag of Haribo's Dinos. You know what, I'm going to have these today. Okay, so we've got some samples that were printed. The first one is grey to white PLA. We have, this is the ABS UV reactive. Let's see if I can, no, I need to obviously be out in the sunshine to get that done. This is another sample, ASA grey blue, and we've got, just drop that one, and we've got the like cement grey stuff. Looks quite cool. What else have we got in here? We've got quite a few bits in here this month. So we've got Wham Bam sticker, We have an engineering sticker. Okay. Right, so these are the 3D printed accessories. Heater block holder Thingiverse. Heater block holder. Okay, so the details are there to download, and obviously supplied the screws and even the metal parts. This is project parts. So we have, oh okay, so this is the 3D printed accessory for the month. So it's a heater block holder. So you need to download the other parts and then stick them on. This is the project for this month, which is an indoor temp and humidity sensor. So Thingiverse link is there. Got all the parts in there. That's ready to rock and roll, and we have an empty box. So just a recap of today, of this month's box. We have the project parts, which is a indoor temperature and humidity sensor. 3D printed accessory for this month is a heater block holder. We have stickers. We have the printed samples as well, which is great because now it means that we don't have to print anything out to get a sample out of it. So we've got the ASA extra fill. We have the cement grey. We have the grey to white thermal changing. We have the ABS white to purple ultraviolet reactive. And the Haribos, which I will be taking to work so I can eat. And let's open this up. Right, I'll just have a quick look at this paper. I'm not too sure if I should show anyone. It's just some paperwork from Diamond Eyes 3D nozzles limited warranty. That comes with the nozzle, which is quite nice. Let's have a look in here. What else we've got in here? Okay, so we have let's have a quick look at this first. Okay, so this is the business card of the guys, and the nozzle. So it's a 1.4 Mark 8 Diamond Eyes nozzle. It should be fun to start printing with that. Not too sure what at the moment or what machine it will need to go on. If you've got any preferences what machine I should put this on, let me know. And that's this month's box. I will also give you guys just a quick glance into what I've been working on, which you can see the Ender3 XL. Okay, just a quick glance of what it is. Yeah, it is very tall. There will be a video coming out on that, but that'll be a little bit later when I finalise the actual unit itself. But thank you very much for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Any comments down below I will try and reply to. And sorry for a bit of a late video, but it only just came a couple of days ago. Anyway, thank you very much. All the links will be down below. Big video coming up reference to this machine and what it can do. And it was a cheap mod to do this, which is good, great. Anyway, many thanks. Like, comment, subscribe, and once again, be yourselves. See you later. Bye.